we are going to open with quite a big gap to the upside, and overnight inventory is forming now a P shape. I think that I can treat it as a temporary value area, so if we get below this level, I think that the odds are that we will be migrating to fill the gap. I'm not sure if we can fill the gap. It depends on how strong the initial selling will be. It is not that likely, but recently, after big gaps to the upside, we've been selling off, so I'm not sure if maybe this time it also could be the case that after big gap to the upside we will sell off. But saying that, now we have some few days of balance before breaking higher, so this might be different this time. First of all, I will be monitoring if we can exhaust initial selling around previous all-time high, and here in this area is half gap, depending how you measure this, or either from yesterday's high or from settle or from 3 p.m. settle. So this area is going to be interesting if we can find buyers here. There's also some initial high volume node from this holiday Friday. So I will be, if I see any decent opportunity from the open to enter shorts, I will try a short. If not, I will be looking for longs either from this area or from around gap fill. However, if we do fill this gap, odds are for some bigger retracement, so next area to monitor is going to be overnight low, and which is also value area high from yesterday. So if we can get lower, I think that we can retrace even entire value area from yesterday, but this is 50 points lower, so not that likely. Most likely we will have an attempt to clear overnight high, since it is closer than overnight low. So after initial pullback, I think that we can go through higher and higher, and then challenging overnight high and all-time high. I'll try to draw those scenarios. So most likely today's value will be higher, so even if we make range like this, odds are that we will be filling this area. So one of my scenarios is that we dip lower, find buyers, get back to point of control, and then try to get higher, maybe squeeze and close somewhere there, or get back to point of control. It depends how, if we are trending, or if we stop one time framing early, and so on. Another possibility is that we trade higher early on and make an exhaustion and get back. Then I think we will most likely balance, maybe trying to test lower, but not that much. And if we can get lower from the open, this has to be an impulsive move down that get retested, and it can also develop from the second scenario. So impulsive move down, weak retest, and fill the gap, and later move lower. So those are the possible scenarios, but overall value will be higher today, so I should be waiting for a good pullback to enter longs.